For those who don't know, Blender add-ons are extra features that you can be downloaded and installed to improve your Blender experience and to save your time. However, there are so many paid and free Blender add-ons that you might don't need. To make the story short, I spent a lot of money for Blender add-ons that I didn't use. So to avoid the mistake that I did, let me present you the right way to get Blender add-ons that you might need before you go bankrupt. Guys, picking a niche in 3D is highly important if you want to become a successful 3D artist, right? I hope that we are on the same page. For instance, I don't know how to make water simulation, advanced animation, and much more. So not because I don't know how to make them, no, because I'm not interested in. So if your niche is character creation or sculpting, you need to avoid to buy water simulation add-ons because you might use them 1 or 2 times in your entire life. So I think you got the point.
Okay.
In this video, I'm gonna go with 5 Blender add-ons that you only need for character creation. Make sure to stick with me until the end because the last one will blow your mind. The first one, the Free Assets Blender Human Bundle. This is a collection of pre-made 3D models that serve as a foundation or starting point for creating your own unique 3D models. These meshes are low poly and came in variety of shapes and sizes. By starting from these meshes, artists can save time and effort in modeling 3D objects from scratch and focus more on aspects such as texture, materials, and sculpting. This add-on is for free and made by professionals. I'm gonna give it a score of 9 out of 10. Next one, the Quad Remesher add-on. So if you have a high poly character, you must retopology the mesh, so it's essential for texturing and animation later on.
Downloading.
So after installing the add-on, all what you need to do is select the object and click on Remesh. You can control the amount of the vertices, turn the symmetry on or off, or you can control the mesh density areas in a few clicks. To do this, go to Vertex Paint mode, pick up a color, and draw on the mesh just like so. From here we can set the quad density value and click on Remesh.
Holy moly!
The result that you can have is truly special, but in many circumstances you need to retopology the mesh manually. This is a paid add-on. The result that you can have is quite good, but it's not perfect. I'm gonna give it a score of 7 out of 10. The Tiny Eyes add-on. You can use this add-on to add quickly eyes to your 3D models. It provides a simple interfaces that allows you to adjust the size, the shape, and the position of the eyes. To use the Tiny Eyes add-on, you first need to download and install it into your Blender software.
Really?
Once installed, go with Shift A and you can find it right there. You can get this add-on absolutely for free, $0, but I prefer to support the developers so they can keep improving the good work. The result that you can get with this add-on is super cool. I'm gonna give it a score of 9 out of 10. Number 4. The Eyelashes Generator. If you are interested in character creation, create eyelashes is quite a long process and sometimes it can be frustrated. With the Eyelashes Generator, believe me or not, you can get awesome result in just a few steps. I'm gonna leave you a link down below to Dane's Zarkov channel. He is the developer for this Eyelashes Generator and he explained in depth on his channel how you can use it. So make sure to check out his videos after watching this one. You can get the Eyelashes Generator for free or you can support the developer. It's your choice. The result that you can get is amazing. I'm gonna give it a score of 8 out of 10. Last but not least, the Stylized Hair PRO version 3 add-on. Well, this add-on blew me away. As you know guys, I'm just interested in stylized character creation. So generated hair was a painful process to me. Not because it was hard, no, because it took me so much time. So I'm relieved that I have this add-on right now, because that will make my life much easier. So if you don't quite understand what I mean, let me show you quickly what can this add-on do. Dane Zarkov is the developer for this add-on. He has a lot of videos on his channel explaining in depth how to use it. So guys, I won't make a copycat video and explain how this add-on works. If you are interested, go check out the link down below. The result that you can get with this add-on is mind-blowing. I'm gonna give it a score of 9 of 10. Okay guys, that was all about today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later. Bye.